What is up, YouTube? So breaking news, absolutely disastrous news for the Brazilian side. Neymar has a broken back. He is ruled out of the World Cup. He's out of the tournament. He has a broken vertebra. As he collided with a Colombian defender in the kind of the late stages of the match. I saw the play. Did not think it was anything really too serious, but Brazil will be playing with the rest of the tournament without the star striker. He was carried off in a stretcher towards the end of the match. Team doctor Rodrigo Lasmar has confirmed that Neymar suffered a fractured vertebra during the match with Colombia. The doctor told the Brazil Sport TV it's not serious in the sense that it doesn't need surgery, but he'll need to immobilize it to recover. So unfortunately, he's not going to be able to play anymore. So Neymar has at times seemed to carry the Brazilian side and single-handedly into the knockout stages of the tournament. So without Neymar, it'll be interesting to see how Brazil will go forward. When he was being carried off, he was easy to see he was in a lot of pain. I don't know how the fuck I missed Neymar. I was watching the match. So yeah, that's it. Neymar is out of the cup. So we'll see how that affects the Brazilian side.